What is up, you guys? Ayo's Lance again on your screen, and welcome back to episode 2 of How to Freelance tutorial series. Today, we are diving into the art of crafting a captivating self-introduction video to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. And what better way to do this than with the powerful editing tools of Filmora 13. First things first, let's talk about the essential elements of a standout self-introduction video. Remember, this is your chance to make a lasting impression. Start by outlining your storyboard. What message do you want to convey? Highlight your expertise. Showcase your previous works. And most importantly, let your personality shine through. Outlining your storyboard shouldn't be so stressful. A simple sketch or a simple plan with description will do just to see where your video is going. Here are some tips in shooting your self-introduction video. When you're talking to the camera, make sure that you are looking directly into the lens. Don't look at yourself in the preview if you have any. Looking directly at the lens will make your viewers feel that you are really talking to them. Another tip is providing your viewers with a good quality audio. To be honest, I had a hard time fixing this when I was just starting. But now I'm doing my best to make it better, so that my viewers and potential partners and clients would see that I'm exerting effort in this. But when you have Filmora 13, they have this feature called AI Audio Denoise, which makes your audio quality even better. So even though you don't have high quality microphones, Filmora 13 offers this AI feature to help you improve your audio quality. Shooting your self-introduction video will require some work, especially when it comes to editing. But Filmora 13 is here to help you using their newest AI text-based editing. We all know that shooting your own video might go with a bunch of dead airs and silent clips, right? And we don't want to bore our future clients. So use this AI tool to automatically cut and delete all the silent clips in your footage, and it will also give you automatic subtitles for better understanding. To do it, open your Wondershare Filmora 13. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can get it for free using the link in the description below. Now, once you're done filming your self-introduction video, you may now import it by clicking AI text-based editing, and this will pop up. We will choose text-based editing here and change to the language that you use in the video, then click OK. Wait for it to convert your video into text, and once it's done, you can see that your video is now transcribed and there are already subtitles placed on top of your video. Here, when you delete the text, it also reflects on the part of your video which will also be deleted. To easily make your self-introduction video and cut all the unnecessary clips, click delete all silent clips and voila! There's no more dead air and your video is ready for major edits. Filmora 13 offers a wide range of tools to elevate your video. From dynamic text effects and seamless transitions, use these features to captivate your audience. One key aspect often overlooked is the importance of music and sound. Always choose a soundtrack that complements your message. Remember, the right music sets the tone for your video. Filmora 13 also offers a wide range of background music as well as sound effects that are royalty-free, so you don't have to worry about getting copyright claims. Now that your self-introduction video is polished and ready, it's time to amplify its reach. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork provide excellent opportunities to showcase your skills. Most importantly, YouTube. In my experience, I get most of the traction and engagements here on YouTube, so you might also want to showcase yourself in this platform so you can reach more potential clients. These platforms allow you to not only upload your videos, but also create a compelling profile that complements it. Highlight your expertise, mention your unique selling points, and don't forget to include a link to your captivating self-introduction video. This self-introduction video that we are working on is like your digital handshake with the potential clients. So, make it count. And there you have it. Crafting an attention-grabbing self-introduction video with Filmora 13 and leveraging platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and YouTube is a game changer for freelancers this year. So, unleash your creativity, showcase your skills, and start attracting those clients today. Stay tuned for the next episode. Ayo, it's Lance and I'm signing off. Until then, keep creating and happy freelancing.